Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright guys, if we are looking at the overall crypto market cap today guys, you guys can see we are currently trading at $2.1 trillion. We're up 1.5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance continues to fall down and we're currently sitting at 42.7%. One thing to point out for you guys is that BTC dominance is not 100% accurate on CoinGecko, but as we're recording this video, we are currently sitting at 44.7% in Bitcoin dominance as we speak. But overall, if we are looking at the overall crypto markets, guys, we are seeing some massive green across the board, and that's exactly what we like seeing after a solid 3 months of consolidation that we did see over the past 3 months. And a lot of analysts and as myself, we were saying, especially if you're a regular viewer on my channel, you guys know I had been saying that around the month of August is when we should expect a market reversal and the start of the next leg up, and that's exactly what is happening. So far, everything is looking very nice, and I believe this is just the absolute beginning. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than Cardano, the project that has been making headlines across the financial sector. So if we are looking at the Cardano price, my Cardano family, Cardano is currently trading at $2.14. Let me repeat that again. Cardano is currently trading at $2.14. We're down 1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're also down 2.4% in Bitcoin comparative in the last 24 hours. Cardano's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top third spot. Market cap right now is $68 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $4.76 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, absolutely insane things are happening. This just gets me very excited. As you guys can see, over the last year, Cardano is up 1,450%, and over the last 30 days we're up 82.9%. Absolutely massive gains being made within Cardano. So if you're a Cardano holder, one thing I want to say is congrats for you guys, and you guys deserve it, especially the people that have been holding since last year and the people that held through this drop, this drop that we did see during May. A lot of people got, wrecked. Sadly, that's just the reality that we see, and I do not like seeing people lose their hard-earned money, and especially the newcomers. They think the markets are going to keep going up forever straight up, and, then when the markets do get manipulated, we do see a retracement, people tend to panic. And, that's just investor psychology, but it is very sad. But if you held through all that, guys, just give yourself a pat on the back, because this is just the absolute beginning. So, there's not much to say about Cardano. As you guys can see, we are back. We are back into this, 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level zone, guys. Last time, let me repeat this again, guys. Last time Cardano was back in this range was, to be exact, May 20th, right before we saw this drop after that Tesla came out and said they will no longer be accepting Bitcoin along with China FUD. But we are back into this zone, 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, guys. And if we are bringing out the measuring tool from all-time highs right now, Cardano is only away, guys, 13.6%. Let me repeat that again, guys. Cardano is only 13.67 cents away from reaching all-time highs. So very, very exciting times ahead for Cardano holders, and this is just the absolute beginning for a project like this. And I have been saying this for since Cardano was way below even 5 cents. And this does not come as a surprise to me. Obviously, we do have the entire Cardano ecosystem evolving. It's growing at a tremendous rate. The community is growing. The project ecosystem is growing, and it's solving real world issues. As you guys can see, it's solving some big issues in Africa, and I believe this is only going to get bigger as time goes by. And obviously, smart contracts, the biggest one, guys, the biggest news for the entire Cardano ecosystem is that smart contracts will be launching soon. And that, I have been saying this for over and over again, is going to be revolutionary for the project of Cardano, because developers will finally be able to develop projects on Cardano, and that is going to be a very historic moment for the project of Cardano. Long-term perspective, guys, you guys know what I have been saying for a long time. I believe Cardano is going to take over Ethereum. I'm a strong believer of that, because you guys know, don't get me wrong, please. Ethereum, very solid project. I love Ethereum, but when you compare Cardano with Ethereum, Cardano is superior in so many ways, and that makes me believe that we are going to take over Ethereum in the next 2 to 3 years if we continue to grow at the rate we are growing right now. And I would not be surprised if that happens. So, that, not only that, there's big, massive institutional interest coming into cryptocurrency space. And these institutional investors are not just diving into some random coin there is. They look at projects with real utility, projects that will shape the overall cryptocurrency industry. And by far, we are seeing massive interest coming in to the cryptocurrency, specifically for Cardano. And this does not come as a surprise to me. And I believe we are about to break all-time highs very soon. And the next price target is at $3 for myself for the immediate short term. If we are bringing out the measuring tool, guys, that would mean we need to see a move of around 40% for us to go to $3. And is that possible in my opinion? Absolutely, guys. Absolutely. So now comes the question, what is going to happen? Like I mentioned, $3 is my next price target, but let's not ignore Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin has been trading sideways over the last couple of days, has been consolidated, which has caused the BTC dominance to drop, and that has caused altcoins to pop off. That goes to show how important this BTC dominance index really is, along with how important Bitcoin price is at the end of the day. So we never want to ignore Bitcoin's price, because as much as some people hate hearing this, Bitcoin is the king of the markets. It decides what the overall market is going to do. So we cannot ignore Bitcoin's price. What I am predicting is going to happen is that we are going to see a pop off for the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin might hit new all-time highs, and then we will see the real altcoin season occur once that happens. I believe Bitcoin's going to have its rally first, then the money is going to flow back into altcoins, and then we will see altcoins pop off, especially like back we saw in 2017, the parabolic moves, and that is going to be very exciting for all the altcoin holders, and especially if you're a Cardano holder. I would not be surprised, guys, if Cardano breaks above even $5 to $10 this bull cycle, but please hear me out carefully. That can only happen if we were to see the type of parabolic move that we did see back in 2017, and we need Bitcoin to gradually move towards the upside for this to happen. But if Bitcoin decides to say, you know what, this is it, I'm going back towards the downside, because at the end of the day, markets can be manipulated, guess what is going to happen with Cardano? Cardano is going to obviously be somewhat negatively impacted from the Bitcoin price. So let's not forget that. So if you picked up some ADA back around these price levels, guys, around this $1 mark, you would be up, as of recording this video, guys, 107%. And let's say the money, the profits that you're sitting at are massive. They're absolutely crazy profits that you're sitting at. Then, you need to ask yourself a question: is this profit that I'm sitting at too much that I cannot afford to lose? If it is, if that answer is yes, then have some sort of exit strategy in place, guys, because that is very, very, very important. Yes, you could even be in it for the long haul, but you do not want to minimize your profit gains. So the best way to do it, maximize profit gains, is to take out some profits when markets are seeing green after green. You're making gains after gains. That's when it's smart to take out some profits and put it into a stable coin, because markets will definitely have its phase where it starts cooling off, because we will definitely enter times where it is going to be in the oversold category. Right now, I believe that is not the case. I believe we could see a massive spike towards the upside, but we do need obviously to have an exit strategy in place where we can lock in profits, and then when the markets when the markets cool off, you could get back into the coins that you like and just stake for a long term. And that's what a lot of people are doing right now, especially in Cardano. If you're a Cardano holder and you're staking right now, you are very, very smart, in my opinion. 70% of the overall Cardano circulation supply is being staked right now, guys. When you really put this into perspective, this is absolutely massive. This really means that 70% of the Cardano's circulation supply is not on the exchanges for people to purchase. So this is why we are seeing Cardano moving up very, very fast and close to its all-time highs, because there is very little Cardano that is available for purchase right now on the exchanges, roughly around 30%. So obviously the supply and demand factor, basic economic rule, when there's massive demand coming in for Cardano, obviously that happens when we are seeing massive news coming out, such as smart contracts launching, and obviously the next leg up starting, we're going to see massive demand flow in all of a sudden. And what's going to happen with the supply? There is a very, very less supply. The 100% circulation supply is not available for purchase. Only 30% is. So what's going to happen with the price of Cardano when the buying pressure kicks in, guys? Yeah, exactly. You guys guessed it. Moon is going to happen. So you guys get the perspective. Long term, you cannot put a price target on Cardano, guys. I'm a long-term, believer on Cardano. The small, price pullbacks, retracements do not get to me, because I see the Cardano's vision, and I believe where they're going. And $2.14 is nothing, in my opinion, for Cardano if I do look at the long-term perspective. It's basically, I look at it as Ethereum's early beginnings. Obviously, it's not going to hit $3,000 because obviously the circulation supply is way higher compared to Ethereum, but you guys get the picture. Long-term perspective for Cardano, guys, is literally gets me super excited when I really think about this. But that is it for today's update, guys. I am expecting Cardano to break out in the next coming days towards newer all-time highs. Very exciting times ahead, but let's not get greedy, guys. If you are sitting at massive profits, ask yourself a question and scale some out to buy back the dips when they do occur. But at the end of the day, you guys do what works for you. I'm just giving you guys tips. I have made a lot of mistakes because I have been in the market over the last 6 years, guys. And don't get me wrong, I made a lot of mistakes. And greed is by far one of the biggest ones. And trust me, guys, you do not want to be greedy in cryptocurrencies. So this is why I would like to share this with you guys, because I care about each and every one of you guys, and I want you guys to maximize your gains and minimize losses. That's why I like sharing this with you guys. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys are doing and where you guys could see Cardano's price go at the end of this year. I would love to know your thoughts down below, guys. If this video can get 300 likes, guys, let me repeat this again. If this video can get 300 likes, I will pick a random winner for $100 worth of Cardano giveaway. So simple to enter. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment down below. So if you placed a comment, it cannot be one of these scam comments. Only one comment that you can do. If you comment down below, you will be entered for a draw, but we have to hit 300 likes for this giveaway to happen. So smash the like button, hit the red subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. And if this video gets 300 likes, I will give $100 worth of Cardano to one lucky winner. But do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys, because this does help the YouTube algorithm push my videos to a wider audience. Your support would be greatly appreciated. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me, especially my day one supporters. I love you guys. Thank you so much. And always remember, your support does not go unnoticed. I love you guys. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.